This is one of Bill Dane's glove puppets, Mr. Punch. We have a collection of about 120 glove puppets. Bill Dane was a charismatic character, a very exuberant eccentric, really, who lived at Tregaron. He didn't actually become a glove puppet and, well, a professor, really, until he retired. He started his career as breeding cattle, and then decided in his retirement to start performing with glove puppets. He performed on Aberystwyth Promenade from 1985 till 1995 when he retired, and he approached the museum to really deposit his collection of glove puppets. He'd been collecting for that 10 years, but during that time he toured to quite a few places, even the Champs-Élysées. From the time that we acquired the collection, we toured the glove puppets to various places all over Britain. We had some great times actually touring the glove puppets to places like Bridlington, Weston-super-Mare, lots of seaside resorts. Obviously museums all over Britain wanted Mr. Punch and of course Judy. They're quite heavy actually. Oh dear, Shabongas have come out. I'll have to make her decent. Here we have Mr. Punch and Judy. This Judy is a special Judy. She's rather glamorous. And she was taken all the way to Abu Dhabi when, at one time, Bill Dane was asked to entertain the troops out in the Middle East. This is a rather dangerous Judy. She's got special features. She's what Bill Dane would have described as the adult version of the Judy. As you can see here, not only is she wearing a glamorous wig, but she's rather overdressed. And of course, in the tradition of Mr. Punch, he would actually be a rather violent character. If you know the story, Judy ends up dead, and so does the baby. In fact, everybody in Mr. Punch's life ends up dead. Even, I'm afraid, Bill Dane, Professor.